Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into a Form 8K filing from Classover Holdings. It sounds like a school project, but get this, it might involve thousands of teachers finding new jobs, or not. Let's see what the filing says. So what's a Form 8K? It's basically a quick update a company gives to the Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, about important events. Think of it as a corporate breaking news bulletin. This one is from Classover Holdings and was filed on April 10, 2025. Classover Holdings Inc., that's the company we will be talking about today. They're based in New York, have been around for a little while, and their trading symbol is CADZ. They have two kinds of stocks being traded, one named Class B common stock, which are normal stocks and warrants. Warrants are like options, giving you the right to buy the stock at a specific price. Here is the heart of the issue. The filing discusses something called Regulation FD disclosure. Basically, this part of the law ensures that if a company shares important information with certain people, like analysts, it has to share that information with the public too. No secrets. In this case, Classover Holdings issued a press release. That's a statement sent to news outlets to get the word out about something. They announced they plan to hire 2,500 US teachers in the next 1 to 2 years. This is the big news in this report. There is also a very important disclaimer. This information, including the press release, isn't officially filed in the same way as some other documents. This means the company isn't necessarily legally bound to every single detail in the press release as they might be with a more formal filing. The filing includes the press release itself as an exhibit. Exhibits are extra documents that provide more detail or evidence related to the main filing. Exhibit 99.1 is the document for the press release that they issued after you now. Let's step back and analyze what's really going on here. Classover Holdings is making a big public announcement about hiring a lot of teachers. Why? Well, it could be a few things. First, it could signal growth. Maybe their business is booming and they need more staff to handle increased demand. That's good news for the company and potentially for the education sector. Second, it could be a marketing move. A big announcement like this gets their name out there and can attract investors, customers, and even potential employees. It creates a buzz around the company. Third, it's worth asking if this announcement is fully realistic. Are they truly prepared to hire that many teachers? Do they have the funding and infrastructure in place? It's possible they're overpromising to boost their image, but it's hard to know for sure from just this filing. Keep in mind, this is just a single announcement. To get the full picture, we'd need to look at Classover Holdings' overall financial performance, their business strategy, and the competitive landscape they're operating in. Are they a growing player in online education, or are they struggling to keep up? So here's my take on Classover Holdings, based on this little peek behind the curtain. The hiring announcement suggests ambition and potentially growth. However, it's crucial to remember that announcements aren't always reality. We need more information to determine if Classover Holdings is truly on a path to success or if this is just a well-crafted PR stunt. The biggest risk I see is overexpansion. Hiring that many teachers costs money and requires a strong support system. If they can't fill those roles or if the demand isn't there, it could hurt their bottom line. The biggest opportunity is the potential to become a major player in online education. If they can successfully hire and manage these teachers, they could significantly expand their reach and impact. Overall, Classover Holdings is a company to watch. This announcement is intriguing, but it's just one piece of the puzzle. Investors and educators alike should keep an eye on their future performance and see if they can deliver on this ambitious promise. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, give us a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more corporate decoding. See you next time.